Want to know how to delete your split terminals in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So we have also created a video on how to download and open up or log into Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So make sure you are under any files, and now in order to see your split terminals or your terminal itself, you need to show your panel. Just so simply select Ctrl+C in order to show your panel right here. So for me right now, I have 3 different terminals that I had split. So in order to delete them, you can just simply select this right side power cell right here and select this trash icon just like this. So it should be deleted right here. So once that is on, your terminal should be deleted. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.